Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be diving straight into object selection 2.
We've talked about lasso tool. We've seen different types of lasso tool, the polygonal lasso tool and the magnetic lasso tool. And we've seen how you can subtract, how you can add to your selection. All this knowledge are very, very, very important. You will sometimes have to refer to them. Okay, so let's dive in straight to using object selection tool. I just can't wait to show you how powerful this tool is to every other tool that we've learned in the past on Photoshop CC 2020 is one of the new one and is powered by Adobe Sensei. Okay, so let's talk more work. All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to try and levitate this camera on my hand. So I already took a picture of myself, so let's get that picture out. So where is the picture? That's it. And I believe that's the second picture. And the second picture will be that one. Great. Okay. So I was thinking maybe we should put it on a different background. We're gonna try and extract me from here and extract this camera from here into another background and levitate the camera. So let's get the background from unsplash.com. And don't forget, unsplash.com is a free website for your pictures, royalty free pictures. So unsplash.com, it's free advert for them. Okay, so what we're looking for a very nice background. So a very, very nice background to levitate. I kind of like this color, it's portrait. Yeah, let's use this. We can use this. Download. Missed download that. It's downloading. Okay, we've got that. We're gonna try and open that in Photoshop. Voila. So the thing is, let's try and look at the resolution we have here. Layer, image size. So like pixels. Wow, that's a big image. So I'm gonna try and shrink this image to 2000. So you can see this is checked, so whatever value I change here is relative. So voila. So I can fit the screen. Not bad, that's good. And what's the size of this camera? Image size. I'm trying to shrink them down as much as possible to the size that would possibly fit into. Yep. And what size is the background? Let's check. Image size. Okay, that's not bad. It's bigger than them now. So, all right, let's do this. So, we're about to learn how to use object selection tool. And don't forget, if you've missed my previous lecture on lasso tool, please go back and watch it, because the knowledge of what we did regarding adding to selection and subtracting from selection may come handy in this course. All right, so object selection tool can be found as a default tool here. You can see when I point to it, object selection tool, and you can see the preview of what happened there. You just draw your selection around the object, and it will shrink wrap automatically to the object you want to select. So let's go for it. So we've added a background here that we want to use. So I reckon let's get to work. I am going to select object selection tool, and all I want to extract is myself from the background. So all I need to do is just draw this around me and release. Now you can see he's thinking about, wow, that was quick. the object selection tool has automatically shrink wrap itself. It's just like it's reading your mind. Okay, what is the most important object between this box? And it's been able to do a very, very good job. Not perfect, but that is why you have the add to selection and subtract from selection. So all I need to do now is I want to subtract from this selection. All I need to do is just draw again, run this. Oh, okay, so we want to make sure what we have here is subtract, not addition. So I think we need to click on that, and I'll draw again, run this. Sweet, that is too much. Addition again. I just want to add super. And if I want to do some tidying up, I can see, yeah, I think it's not bad. Just a little bit of that place. I think we can make do with that, because now I want to extract me from this background, but I want to make sure it's as clean as much as possible. So what I'll do is I would go to select and click on select and mask. So this, I want it to be smooth, just a little bit. Smooth feather, maybe just a little bit, so that the edges is not too rough. And I think that's enough for me. And what do? I just command X would cut me away from the background. Voila! Woo! And go to the new background environment and then command V, and that's me. Woo! That is so sweet. That is so fantastic. And let's try and increase the image from the edge and put it there like that. Maybe can we make more higher, make more centralized. Yeah, sweet. So what we need to do next is to bring the camera. So let's go to the camera, and we all know what to do. You click on object selection tool and draw around your objects, and voila. And that was a very, very good job. And if I see, I think if I do that, sweet, and it looks like it's perfect. Oh no, at this edge more here, maybe too much, but I think maybe just here, maybe just a little bit here. Yeah, I think it looks great now. Just want to make sure that place is clean. And what we need to do now is to do the same thing we did for my picture. Select a mask, and let's see, make it smooth, feather a little bit. Okay, and command X, take it out of the background. You can see it's out of the background, and command V, voila, we brought it here. It's already levitating. Look at that. So the object is levitating right here. Just make it a little bigger, make it look a bit real. Let's make it look a bit real. So that camera, you can turn it around, turn the, so if you turn the camera up, you change the angle. Yeah, that looks more like it. And that is how you levitate an object. I hope you've learned something new today. And if you have any question regarding what we've done today, please drop me a comment in the comment section below. And if you're joining us for the first time, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell sign next to it so we can get notified anytime I do a new upload. Practice and stay safe. Thank you.